We're taking some children out on an excursion today, so we have to sign them out of the iPad first. So when I call your name, can you say here, so I know that you're here? Gracie.
Yeah.
As we exit the service, the time is written down on the roll. So let's go. In 10:29. The children are called individually onto the bus, and the time they enter the bus is written on the roll. They are also counted at this point. Okay, Evie. Caleb Dickman. The educators work together to make sure that each seatbelt is done up and assist the children if they need it. Then they both double check each seatbelt to make sure that they're done up properly. Once all children are buckled in, we will do a head count to ensure all children are here. One trick I like to use is, while also counting the children that are in the seats, I like to count the seats that are empty to make sure that it adds up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 children. Oh, sorry, Evie, what's your favourite animal?
Kangaroo.
What's a kangaroo say? Or they hop along?
Yes.
The kangaroos on the bus go hop, 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 hop.
If you know how to take off your seatbelt yourself, you can do so now. If you need some help, please let us know.
The children are directed off the bus one at a time, counted as they do, and it is noted on the roll. Sherii, you're following me inside. You can open it for me. Thank you. Do you want to hold it open for the others?
Now that the children are back inside the service, the bus will now be checked from back to front, under the seats and inside the front to ensure that no one and nothing has been left behind. Now that the bus has been checked that it's clear, it is locked and the key is taken inside to another educator so that they can come out and check it again.
As the children enter back into the service, they are once again counted, it is noted on the roll, and then they are signed back in on the kiosk.
Can you please go and check my bus for me?
Thank you.
So I'm just back in from conducting the check of the bus to make sure that there's no one left on the bus. So you need to come in and you need to sign this excursion form to say that you've checked it. It should be done within 5 minutes of your returning. So there was no one left on the bus. Okay, the two most important things to remember when you're out on an excursion with children is head counts, head counts, head counts all the time. And when you're back on from your excursions, checking that bus and doing this form and making sure everyone's safe.